Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to change the default save location in Microsoft Office. Open any Office application. Click File, Options. Click Save. Click Browse to change the default save location. Click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.